Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to disable autoplay videos in Twitter. Go to the Twitter app from your apps list. You can see all the videos in your home feed are autoplaying. To disable it, tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the General section, tap on Accessibility. Here you can find in the last option Video Autoplay. Tap on this. It is selected as mobile data and Wi-Fi by default. That means if you are using mobile data or Wi-Fi, the videos will autoplay. If you want the videos will be autoplaying over Wi-Fi only, then tap on the second option, Wi-Fi only. Or if you want the videos on your home feed will never autoplaying, then tap on the last option, never. That's it. From now on, no videos will be autoplaying in your home feed. So that is how you can disable autoplaying videos in Twitter. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.